Now, in this case, we actually have anecdotal evidence out of China that chaga works, and we have anecdotal evidence that vitamin C works. The really interesting part of this is that there's a lot of stuff in the NCIB database of health studies here in the United States that point to chaga being synergistic with vitamin C. And they each boost the other's capabilities. Well, Peak Prosperity, Chris Martinson, you know?
Yeah, amazing guy, yeah.
Oh, tremendous, putting out tremendous stuff. And he keeps always ending up with, it didn't have to be this way. Mm-hmm. And I keep coming back to, it still doesn't have to be this way. We can leapfrog this, but we can't do it as long as we think of it as a disease. Because you're just not going to get people to react well enough to take enough vitamin C to understand what's going on unless you're adult with them and tell them it's a bioweapon. Mm-hmm. Then stand back, let them freak out, you know, whatever they're going to do. And when they recover a bit, start then shoving vitamin C and D into them and tell them why they have to do it and how they are perfectly safe once you discover the key to a bioweapon. And this actually is a mental thing for you in this whole process. If this was a naturally occurring zootropic coming from an animal to a human virus that was novel, bear in mind, we don't get novel viruses on this planet. Okay, the only novel viruses we've had in the last 40 years have been engineered. So we do not get naturally arising novel viruses. All the viruses we've had to deal with for thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of years, Ebola, all of that kind of stuff. It's not new. So, but if you're going to deal with a new virus, it's helpful to think of it and know it as a bioweapon. And why is this? Because a natural virus, you've got real problems with. Okay, universe engineered it. This, some dumbass humans put this together and they put in 2 HIV inclusions in there that we can key in on with chaga. Plus the thing appears to be keyed on the level of vitamin C you've got in your system. Once we tumble to this, we're safe from it. It's neutered. It's 100% useless for I don't fear this kind of a virus now. And let's say that indeed this was a bioweapon. Well, if you have the key to the bioweapon, you must have, or if you're going to release it, you must have a key built into it so your own troops don't get it. So your own forces. And also for the ancillary part of that, to be able to resurrect the power structure from near death and put them to work as your slaves ruling the population so you don't have to conquer them and kill a lot of people beyond that, right? This is true whether it's going to be humans or space aliens, they're going to do this kind of an attack. And so the thing is that you must build in a key. Well, if the enemy, which is us, the victims, discovered the key, then we can take the key and we're not going to get hurt. When you all invade, we're going to blow your ass to shit. Mm-hmm. So, you know, now I actually think—
spread the word, everyone, spread the word. Vitamin C, chaga, and all the things, D3,